Welcome to the second part of this video, in which we are going to discuss again electric motor. In this we are going to discuss commutator, which is actually the split rings in your circuit. A device that reverses the direction of flow of current through a circuit is called as commutator or split rings. Friends, now let us know the commercial motor use. What do commercial motor means? Commercially available motor uses which materials? Let us say the electromagnet in place of permanent magnets. We were having set of magnets which were permanent in nature in our circuit diagram, but electromagnet is used in commercial motors. Second, the coil which was there, which was having only one turn, here there are large number of turns of a conducting wire in current carrying coil. So there are number of turns, let us say 100, let us say 1000. And the third part, soft iron core on which coil is wound. Now when soft iron core is placed, soft iron can get easily magnetized and we are wounding wire on it, so to strengthen the magnetic field. Second, soft iron core which is wounded by coil is also known as armature. Friends, this armature enhances the power of a motor. So these are the points which we are discussing for this part. Friends, till now we learned the construction of a DC motor, which is as per our syllabus and one of the important topic as per our standard. So here let us say these electric motors are used in our day-to-day life. Let us say washing machines, mixture grinders, or let us say in computers, in electrical fans are the devices in which, or rotating devices in which the electric motors are used. Students, let us watch one video to understand the same construction and the same working which we learned earlier in this video. Let us verify it. Thank you.
Electric motor. In this module, you will learn about an electric motor. As you switch on an electric fan, the blades of the fan start moving. This means that electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy. This conversion of electrical energy to mechanical energy is performed by an electric motor. An electric motor works on the principle that if an electric current is allowed to flow in a conductor placed in a magnetic field, the conductor experiences a force. As you switch on an electric fan, the blades of the fan start moving. This means that electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy. This conversion of electrical energy to mechanical energy is performed by an electric motor. As you switch on an electric fan, the blades of the fan start moving. This means that electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy. This conversion of electrical energy to mechanical energy is as the direction of the direct current changes, the direction of the rotation of the armature also changes. Again, as the key is opened, the armature stops rotating. Now, let us compare the construction and working of a DC motor to that of a DC generator. A DC motor has an input voltage supply, whereas a DC generator has a load like a bulb connected to the carbon brushes. Besides, in the case of a DC motor, an input direct current causes the rotation of the armature, whereas in the case of a DC generator, the rotation of the armature results in a DC voltage across the load. Now let us learn about an AC motor. An AC motor consists of a U-shaped magnet, an armature, slip rings, carbon brushes, a key, and an AC voltage supply. As the key is closed, an alternating current starts flowing through the armature. Here, even though the direction of current changes at regular intervals, the armature rotates in one particular direction because of the slip rings. You can notice that the action of an AC motor is basically the reverse of that of an AC generator. Besides electric fans, electric motors are used in devices such as vacuum cleaners, water pumps, and hair dryers. In this module you have learned: an electric motor is an electrical device that converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. An electric motor works on the principle that if an electric current is allowed to flow in a conductor placed in a magnetic field, the conductor experiences a force. Depending on the input voltage supply, electric motors are of two types: DC motors and AC motors. A simple DC motor consists of a U-shaped magnet, an armature, split rings, carbon brushes, a key, and a DC voltage supply. An AC motor consists of a U-shaped magnet, an armature, slip rings, carbon brushes, a key, and an AC voltage supply. When electric current passes through the armature of an electric motor, the armature starts rotating. The action of an electric motor is basically the reverse of that of a generator.